Hi guys, I'm going to show you my little outdoor cooking machine, as I call it. It's a brilliant bit of kit. I've had the Cardex, which are quite expensive. The Safari Chef, it comes with all pans, all lids, all setups. What we found with it was, you're lugging a load of kit down in the van, and then you've got to pull it out the bags. It's quite a, well, it's this 30-40 centimetre grill. It is a good bit of kit, but it is a lot to lug around. You've got big gas leads with it, and things like that. Like I say, they're really expensive. Again, you can pick them up on eBay or these Facebook now if you wanted a second hand one to try. But what I found with them was, you didn't know when the gas was on. It kept, is it lit, isn't it lit? And they're very difficult to clean, the car deck. It is a good bit of kit because you've got all the different fittings, but it's a lot of stuff to mess with, and you don't really need it. So what I've gone and done now, I've had it for a little while, and I'll show you a little cooking appliance I bought. I've used them for years. Camping gas I've used for years. From, you know, they're brilliant bits of kit, and they're proven to work, you know. So it's normally me and the wife, 6 of us at most when we go away in the van. So this is really, really good. I had to go canoeing every year with the guys in work, and basically it's enough to cook for all of us. And what it comes with, let me just grab this a sec. You get these canisters. It's a CV470, which is the camping gas canister. Mobile, chuck in your backpack. You can take it to the beach. These things, they're so simple. I'll just show you the actual cooking barbecue. I cooked some eggs on the yesterday. We had some great breakfast. Let me just pan around. It's this, guys. It's superb. All the legs thread off here. All them come off, if you can see it there. You turn it upside down, they all fit inside the lid. You chuck in your backpack, and if you can see the Max there, it says Max inside. What it is, let me just try and get the lid off for you. Sec. There you go. That's it there. It's quite a nice size grill. You can fit 8 burgers on there, quite simply, load of sausage, whatever. Not only that, in here you've got a pan support. It's a piezo ignition, so clickety click, screw the bottle on, bang, simple. Let me just take all these out to show you. I'm doing a bit of snare from yesterday, bit of egg I think. Anyway, under here we are. The bottle clips on there, and it's simple. You know, I'm doing it one-handed. Let me just show you if I can. Come in here. It's literally, that's the bottle on, and I'm doing that one-handed, obviously. Flip him over. There you go. It's called a Party Grill 200. Basically simple to, let me just show you. That's done. Don't put it on because I want to show you how this is the pan support. So it's difficult doing it one-handed. That's the pan support, so you right on the flame there, that says lowest setting. Alternatively, you can raise him to there. And again, if you want to do some wok cooking, whatever, great stuff. But what's clever about this grill is, which I've never seen before, let me just take this back off, guys. In here, it's got a maxi line. What you do, you actually fill that bowl up to the line with cold water. And what that does, all the fat dripping off your burger, sausage, etc., whatever you're cooking on, it goes solid in the grill. So it's so easy, much easier to clean. Unlike the car deck, it take me about half hour to clean a car deck. Easily half hour. If you'd had a good weekend cooking with a party of people here, it'd take a bloody good scrubbing, and it was a nightmare. With this, it's so simple. It's a non-stick base. On it goes. All the stuff fall in there. It all solidifies in the grill, and you take it down the wash basins on site. You wash your job done. When you're finished, pop the lid on. Or you don't have to, you know, stop any bugs going in if you want to leave it out for the next day. And it's great. It's a really, really easy bit of kit. It goes under the seats in the van. There's no faffing with it. There's no bags. There's no gas leads. I say it's pros and cons. Obviously, it's more expensive to buy these gas canisters. I think it's about £10 each or something like that. Let me spin back. So if you had a big bottle of gas on, obviously it's cheaper to buy a large bottle of gas and run sorry, I'm tangling up in my breaker, sorry, bear with me a sec guys. So it's far cheaper to use the gas off the van, but you have got all the leads and the connection points, etc, whatever. With this, it's a little bottle of gas, £10, you can take it anywhere, take it to the beach, chuck it in the rucksack. So easy to clean. Like I say, all the fat, all the drippers, bang, out it comes. It's really simple. So that's what I use, and I've used it now for quite a while actually. I had to load up with a couple of canisters. You can buy them on Amazon, eBay, chuck them in a box under the van, and like I say, they last for quite a while actually when you're cooking. So it really is. So I hope it helps you buy. You can get the bigger ones as well, sorry, Party Grill 400, which has got a bit more attachments to it, but to be honest, you don't really need them. I'm cooking for 6 to 8 people sometimes, and it's fine, actually fine. So like I say, I hope I'll help you decide on a little grill guys for your camping and caravanning adventures.